3D printing and sustainable materials are converging, but what are the best patent strategies? Let's dive right in. The intersection of additive manufacturing and eco-friendly technology is a massive growth area, and protecting your innovations is critical for market success. This field is seeing exponential growth, merging efficient production with environmental responsibility. Securing your IP now establishes long-term market leadership. We'll explore 4 essential patent strategies tailored specifically for sustainable 3D printing materials. First, focus on material composition claims. This involves novel polymers, bio-based feedstocks, or specialized material blends designed for sustainability and 3D printing. Next, consider process claims. This covers the unique methods for recycling materials, preparing sustainable feedstocks, or the specific curing processes used in your additive manufacturing method. Product-by-process claims are vital when the final product exhibits unique characteristics directly resulting from your specific sustainable manufacturing process. This links the material's properties to the novel method. Finally, ensure you claim features related to the material's end of life, such as claims covering controlled degradation rates or specific methods for recyclability. Beyond the claim type, there are broader analytical considerations essential for a strong patent portfolio in this rapidly evolving sector. A key consideration is anticipating the future regulatory landscape, often referred to as green IP. Patents that align with forthcoming environmental standards will hold greater long-term value. Develop an international filing strategy that balances your key target markets for the final product against where the manufacturing actually takes place to maximize protection efficiently. The future of IP in eco-friendly 3D technology is bright and complex. A proactive, multifaceted patent strategy is the only way to secure your piece of this innovative and sustainable future.